Once your estimate is complete, the following steps are next. Convert your BOQ estimate to a proposal. Prepare your PDF. Proposal signed. Proceed to contract. Prepare your contract items and job. Invoice and forecast. Schedule your tasks. And purchase your items. In this video, we are going to focus on how to convert your BOQ estimate to a proposal and how this impacts your invoice and forecasting. Zoho consists of 3 transaction modules: proposals, contracts, and invoices. When a BOQ estimate is converted to a proposal, the items from the BOQ estimates are transferred to the proposal. These items can be grouped. There are multiple ways to group your BOQ items. When the contract is created, it inherits the same line items at the proposal. When it's time to invoice the customer, the items used on the invoice must originate from the contract. The value invoice can be the full or partial amount of one or many line items. Watch the invoice and forecasting video for more information on the invoicing options. When you convert the BOQ estimate to the proposal, you need to consider what you want to display on the invoices when you're choosing your grouping. However, you can still create a stylish proposal document using different grouping. Using the blueprint in the inquiry module, your proposal document will prepare the estimate and represent the data in a stylish mail merge. That proposal document pulls the information directly from the BOQ estimate, which means can display, group, and itemize any details from the BOQ items. Each mail merge can be designed to help you in the business, with as little or as much information as you want. When you click on Convert to Proposal in the blueprint, choose the related inquiry. This will default to the current inquiry if you only have one. Under the Group Item by Pick list, choose your preferred option. Remembering this impacts your invoices. Your proposal, contract, and invoice can be grouped multiple ways, using BOQ item attributes and recipes. If BOQ items in your estimate are not associated to the group, you have the option to have these items split out and itemized on the estimate. Otherwise, these items will be consolidated. Down to proposal options. This will default to create new. But if you have an existing estimate already linked to the inquiry, you can opt to either create a new proposal or updating the existing proposal. Finally, your proposal subject is the title given to the record and can be used on the PDF mail merge template. Once you have completed the fields, click on Step 2. Choose your estimate number from the pick list. It displays the number of BOQ items linked to that estimate number. Estimate numbers are linked to recipes and used to create comparisons or to manage options. When you are ready to convert, you should note which estimates you want to include. At this stage, you select the estimate number but can add or remove items. An item is linked to a recipe, so selecting one item will result all items under the recipe being ticked. If you want to make further changes, watch the Creating BOQ Estimates video to learn more about customizing recipes and estimate numbers. Now you should have the items chosen that you want to convert to a proposal. Click on Step 3 and OK to confirm for a preview on how your items will be grouped. You can still go back and change your grouping. Once you are satisfied with the result, click on Convert to Proposal. The proposal module has now been created. From the inquiry, go to Related Records and click on Proposal. You can see here the Related Proposal module. Click on the subject to open the record. Please note, if you're a seasoned Zoho user, this module is the native quotes module, and quotes are converted to sales orders. In Builder's Excellence, the quotes module has been renamed to Proposals, and proposals are converted to contracts. This terminology is used in Builder's Excellence as it relates to the building and construction industry. Click on the proposal items. You can see here the converted and group item values, including the recipe name used for the grouping. Each line includes the amount, which is unit price times quantity, discount, tax, and total, which includes the discount and tax. On the side panel, you can see the proposal values. To understand more about the figures displayed on the side panel versus the native Zoho totals at the bottom, watch the Summary of Transaction Values video. This information is important for reports, templates, and financial reconciliations. These values are linked to the BOQ recipes and BOQ items linked to the estimate. To view the underlying information, At the top of the proposal record, click on Related Records. Click on BOQ Estimate to select BOQ recipes and BOQ items. Now you can see the details of each items that made up the group totals on the proposal record. Now let's go back to the inquiry. Using the blueprint, it's time to create a stylish mail merge that displays the estimate values. Watch the Manage Stylish Proposals to learn more about what happens next.